Hey, welcome to Chelsea's Quick Bites. I'm excited to hang out with you in the kitchen today. Get ready for some cooking shenanigans as we whip up something delicious together. Whether you're a cooking guru or simply just love good food, we're going to do it all. Today we're going to be making slow-cooked smoked turkey navy beans, and the ingredients are listed below. I got some navy beans and I'm going to soak them overnight. Here's how they look the next morning. I'm going to drain them and start preparing the smoked turkey. Put the turkey in a pot with some water and salt and boil it for about 30 minutes so you can use that as your broth. While that's boiling, I went ahead and chopped up some onions. So here's the broth and turkey about 30 minutes after boiling. I went ahead and put my beans in my crock pot, added the broth and chopped up the turkey and added it. Then I added the onions. Then I added my seasoning of choice, which was onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and black pepper. Put the top on and let it cook. After about an hour and a half, I came back and added some chicken bouillon and complete seasoning, and the beans were still tough, so I'm going to let them cook until they get soft. 6 hours later, our beans are finally finished and they turned out to be delicious. Thanks for watching. Join me next time on Chelsea's Quick Bites.